Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we discuss about truck accident at Tornris, San Antonio. So let's start the video. First of all, you click on your browser. When you click your browser, this page will be opened. Accident at Tornris, San Antonio. When you search, the website page will be opened. You just scroll down and click in this website, truck accident compensation commercial vehicle lawyer. When you click, the website page will be opened. Fighting for your after devastating truck accident. San Antonio truck accident or Tonry. Truck accident is a state of Texas of the city San Antonio can be devastating to the victim and cases to massive injury and the death of split second. This is especially true for the cases an accident between a car and a largest truck. The size of difference between a regular passenger car and SUV of a tractor trailer 18-wheeler make surviving and such as accident completely interact somewhat unusual events. Tracker trailer combination vehicle are the fact of life for anyone traveling along the nation's roadway, and those injured by 18-wheeler semi-trucks need to the experience San Antonio truck accident lawyer on their side and understand their legal rights. Contact QuickLink. What makes a commercial truck so dangerous? Tracker trailer are the function moving goods, and this is they are an important part of Americans economy. However, these trucks are also behave one of the largest hazard on roadway accident and across the nation. Our San Antonio truck accident lawyer have handled cases all over the nation and has seen a seriousness of life altering injuries they can cases. There are a number of reasons and they have while largest truck often referred as the 18-wheeler and the tracker trailers poses such as a dangerous to Texas and US roadways. The size of a huge wheeler and limit of their visibility and extend their necessarily braking distance. The size of difference between largest truck and passenger vehicle often result in an accident, the catastrophic and naturing, making death and serious injuries much more likely. In many cases, the 18-wheeler on the road is improperly maintained by a company's that is own team. Drivers are often not properly trained or supervised. Truck drivers are often to encourage and drive faster or longer so as the move of the road and from of one place another shorter amount of the time. Are truck safety regulation helping? All of these factors combine a make of largest truck to the major and industry and make it the safer of normal driver. On the road, these rules are regulation places limit what you trucking companies on a driver road, and for example, a huge of fair laugh truck and driver of allowed to drive. These rules are regulation are long to marry week and despite of the regulation that are placed in the improved driver and safety that reduce the truck accident. A super variety longer largest number of truck accident continue to that place at every year. The FMCSA keeps a detailed statistics and commercial truck and bus accident that have been occurred nationally and each state according to FMCHA vehicle 33141 fatal truck accident in 2011. Common cases of semi-truck accident in San Antonio. Tax truck driver are trucking companies are covered by a number of state and federal regulations that obligate them and appropriate their vehicles and far higher of the standard of cars, and then they have necessarily to drive a passenger of vehicle. Despite of these extra rules of the oversight, accident happens too often due to the negligence of the truck and driver of trucking companies or both. The most common cases trucking accident include driver fatigue, especially when a driver operates his vehicle and more hours than it is legally prescribed, and distract driving such as known when a truck driver is playing with the electronic devices even if you have a dating, and distracted driver such as when a truck driver is playing with the electronic devices. Unlicensed or poorly trained driver, the truck is either oversized and overloaded, the truck is not been provider of maintenance, medical defectives such as a blowout and brake failure, truck driver fatigue, driving while try to fatigue and dangerous. Everyone knows that. However, what is come 18-wheeler accident driver to risk can sometimes ignore. According to the recent study by FMCSA, 2.6 truck driver is every 100 of the road are suffering from a fatigue, was the factor of 75% of crashes involving large commercial truck. Recent rules indicated by a FMCHA allow to the truck driver and 60 to 70 hours per week, with a maximum of 11 co-sequence and hours of the driver time. Under the same regulation, driver has a limit of 14 co-sequence and duty hours. One duty hours include all driving and non-driving activities such as log, entry and maintenance, loading of uploading, and the regulations are nouns that are 11/4.